Hey friends, you are with Kim Byers at the Celebration Shop, and today I want to talk to you about a brand new product that's available from Cricut. It's called Infusible Ink. Have you heard about it? If you haven't, you really want to try this out. So it is basically exactly what it says. It's infusible ink. So it means it's infusing the ink into fabrics. So into t-shirts and onesies and totes and coasters. And the really cool thing about it is it's soft to the touch. Soft to the touch, and it doesn't peel, it doesn't crack, and it doesn't wash away. So this product is going to be great on your t-shirts and things as many times as you can wash it. So if the t-shirt's alive, then the infusible ink is alive. And the other really cool thing about this product is it's bright. It's super vibrant colors. And they have so many to pick from. Okay, and the next thing I want to share with you is some questions that I've been getting from people about so infusible ink, so how's this different from iron-on? Well, it is very different. It's actually, they both have applications, so I just want to make sure that you realize infusible ink is not a replacement for iron-on. They are used, can be used on similar types of products like, t-shirts and things like that, but the application is very different and the end result is very different. So for instance, if you wanted to make, a onesie or something like that with beautiful, vibrant colors and you want it to be soft to your little one's touch, this is the product that you would use. You would use infusible ink. If you wanted to use glitter or holographic iron-on, or if you wanted to use foil iron-on or some of those, beautiful, products like that, those would still be iron-on. So this is ink that's actually infused into the fabric. So it's going to be lightweight and it's going to be super soft to the touch, or almost as if it's not there, because it becomes one with the fabric. Something else I want to point out is infusible ink is not to be used on just any t-shirt that you run down to the store and pick up. Infusible ink is meant to be used on Cricut blanks. Because they're specifically engineered to work with this product. So right now, and they're making more things, but right now they have onesies, they have t-shirts in men's and women's styles, and they have totes, and they have coasters. And I am secretly hoping that they make canvas or pillowcase covers, like like for, home decor. I'm always wanting to change out the pillows and things on my sofa, and I would love it if Cricut would make a pillowcase cover. Can I use or create with this product only with the maker, or can I use my Cricut Explore Air or my Cricut Explore Air 2? Yes. It works with all of the Cricuts. So you don't have to just have a maker to use this product. The other thing I've been asked is, what else do you need? And so this product is specific to the Cricut Easy Press. So if you have an original Easy Press, it works. And if you have an Easy Press 2, it works. What you want to do is you want to use the heat guide that Cricut has online, and I'll put a link down below in this video so that you can go down and look. But if you're using the original Easy Press, the process is just going to take a little bit longer than it would with the Easy Press 2, and it's because the Easy Press 2 will go up to 400 degrees. But yes, they both work, both perfect. So when it comes to blanks, okay, so when you hop over to shop blanks, Cricut blanks, you're only going to see white and light colored blanks. The reason for this is if they put infusible ink on dark colors, it would somewhat disappear, right? So it wouldn't be vibrant, beautiful. So you're only going to be able to get white and light colored blanks. So if you want a black t-shirt or a navy blue t-shirt, or something like that, you're going to need to use iron-on. And of course, you're going to use iron-on on all your canvases and your iron projects and all those other things as well. Or if you want dimension, like glitter and holographic or foil, like on your totes and things, again, you're going to use iron-on. The other thing about infusible ink, super important, Right now, it's only available at Michaels and Michaels.com. So for now, you can only shop it there. You can't even get it on Cricut.com. You're just gonna have to hop over to that Michaels store, check it out, and see what it's all about. And I'm gonna be making a ton of projects, and so I'm gonna put the links to those down below in the description. I'm also gonna put a link to the heat guide down below so you can check out the difference between Easy Press and Easy Press 2. And I hope that you guys will hit that subscribe button and ring the bell and join me every week for more videos. I'll see you next time.